Right, well, we're scooting right along, and we're gonna move into our StoreSmith 2-pack of collapsible laundry baskets. Now, this is a space-saving design. I always say, what do you do, and I'm just gonna pull this thing out, with this honking thing? All right, and this is a pretty, like, I don't know where you found this, but this is like—
I didn't have to look far.
No, right? You trip over them, they sit and take up space in your laundry room, in your bedroom, in the kitchen, wherever you're folding clothes. Well, what if now I were to show you, look at how much space you're going to save, because these are collapsible. So they're collapsible, space-saving, and a huge customer pick. You love them. If you own them, 1-866-376-8255. Give us a call. We have several colors available. It is a 2-pack, so you're gonna get 2 of them. They condense down to 3 inches thin. Boy, if I could only make myself that thin. Could you imagine?
You don't want to be 3 inches thin.
Yeah, that would be pretty
right.
thin.
You know what the other problem is?
What?
These are ventilated, which is fantastic, because if they're not, look at that. Can you do you see the mildew at the base of this? This is mildew, so when you buy these, they kind of look cute, and I have another one that's coming up after. You need both sets. That, you know, looks and feels very modern, but then the mildew on the inside. So I'm gonna show you some tricks to avoid that.
And this is Alexandra Baker, if you're wondering.
Home BFF.
So she's our home BFF, our home expert, a mom, a wife. She's a fur baby mommy as well.
And you know what?
My Queen Elizabeth. Because it's a 2-pack, you are getting it. If you choose gray is available. We have it in your teal, your mint. Okay, teal just sold out.
I thought they were bringing it to me. Teal just sold out, okay.
Yes, so teal is sold out. We have it in your mint, and then we have your light blue. This is like a little Caribbean vacation.
And this is charcoal, this is gray.
That's great.
That's great.
Yeah,
and
okay, show us how these work.
Yeah,
it's really
all you do,
if
you can see it, all I do is I push down right here. I just push, and it pops right up. Do you see how easy that is? Isn't that wonderful? Now what you end up with is a very large, 24 inches long, very deep laundry hamper, very elegant. It's like this really hard, durable plastic. This rubber trim that's going all the way around, you see this rubber trim? Very durable. I have to say, we've had the set of 2 in the gray for about 18 or 19 months, and open, close, open, close, open, close, all the time.
I asked you that last time we worked, because that was my first time presenting these with you.
I am shocked at how this isn't splitting open. I can't believe how much we're able to put inside. Yeah, all you do is push it that way, and then it completely collapses, and then you're able to stack both of them together, and then look. You could put this on the side of the dryer, in between the washer and dryer. I just love that they're so well made and they collapse. And I have to say, when I'm finished folding a load of laundry and I collapse it, you feel accomplished. You feel like, okay, I finished this task.
Well, and you know what? I'm always, like, I'm notorious for leaving my laundry in the basket.
Sure.
But there's something about this basket that you want to fold it up and put it away. You want to collapse it and put it away.
You want to finish the task. How about that?
You want to finish the task, and that way your clothes won't sit wrinkled, and then you'll have to kind of redo them or refreshen them. This is compact. It is slim, it's space saving. If you don't have a lot of space, this is just genius. You're getting a 2-pack today. We're taking $5 off, and it's on sale for $34.95. So that's a great opportunity, plus the 5 flexible payments of $6.99. Do you know I was watching a sitcom before I came to work with and having my coffee, kind of just relaxing.
Yes.
And guess what I saw on that sitcom? I wish I could say that. I'll tell you after the show.
But they had this?
They had this.
You see?
They had it in the gray.
You know, this
I don't know why I got excited about seeing it on a sitcom.
It's really neat when we see our products being utilized, and I can understand why, because this is something that's smart. You know what? It's attractive. No longer are we bringing subpar product into our home. You might as well bring something that not only looks good, it works well. This is ergonomic, so it's easy to hold on to. It's nice and smooth everywhere you look. But here's the thing, Robin. When you fill this mile high, and I have walked into the garage, and right out of the dryer is not only 1 load, but then the 2nd load of towels, and now it's standing, literally, this happened to me a few weeks ago. It was literally like this, and I thought, if it was in one of these, it would have like collapsed. There's no way this would have been able to hold it. So when you put it in something that is sturdy and attractive in these lovely colors, this is your favorite thing that you can halfway part it down.
Yes, my niece just had a baby, as I was saying in the previous item, January 1st baby. Lucy is her name.
Lucy.
So cute. Anyway,
Congratulations.
you have all those little, you think I had it, I'm so excited.
No, but you might as well be so happy.
Right.
That's great.
But all the little baby clothes, like maybe you don't need the full load and you just have a half a load. Well, you can make it smaller if you want. So this gives you versatility. And then remember, when you want to collapse it, boom. You don't need dexterity. You don't need strength.
Tray, see?
It's so super smart.
Yeah, and now you have something that's also a tray. You can eat lunch on this. You can serve breakfast in bed on this. How romantic on Valentine's Day. Lots of uses, and I highly recommend.
Did you just say serve breakfast on?
Maybe I'm letting my husband know. Maybe you could serve breakfast in bed on Valentine's
Now,
Day.
I'm telling you, I would have never thought of that. You are really utilizing things in your home.
I am all about multi-use, multi-function, and I am not kidding. Now, I use this set.
At least you know it's clean.
You know it's clean, right?
It's clean.
We do use ours primarily for clean clothes. I definitely find that I need both of them for just getting things out for the clean clothes.
Alexandra, my producers, give me the little wrap up.
Oh,
so
okay.
we are going to be wrapping up. 507-677 is your item number. We have still one more item with Alexandra. She's not going anywhere.